SmartCAM Freeform Machining version 19 includes a small but very useful new surface boundary modeling tool. Surface boundary is used to cap voids, gaps, and pockets in models so that you can generate superior quality toolpath or simply to avoid entering those areas during machining. So why did we create the boundary surface modeler? Our users often do not have access to the CAD software used to create the model, so any model modifications required to create successful CAM toolpaths can be problematic. This new function is therefore particularly beneficial when generating toolpath on imported CAD data when the original system used to create it is unavailable. Let's see how easily we can improve the manufacturability of this model by using our new boundary surface function and closing the hole so the top surface can be machined as if it were one continuous smooth surface. With previous versions, SmartCAM users could create toolpath with their user options that included bridging cavities with a straight line move, as we've done with this example. But when a model has a surface with complex curvature, as this one has, it is sometimes preferable to create toolpath which flows smoothly across the surface geometry. We'll temporarily remove this toolpath from the graphical display. First, we will extract profile boundaries for the cavities that we want to cap, and we'll put the boundaries on a new layer. SmartCAM's solid boundary feature quickly generates profile boundaries for all edges of our surfaces. In this case, we want boundaries for the whole of the current active group. Create all, and our profile boundaries are generated, displayed in green. Here is the new SmartCAM boundary surface function, which we will use to add a cap surface over each of the cavities. We have the option of using an exemplar surface, which will influence the form of the cap surfaces. We use the top surface as the exemplar surface. And now we will add the caps for each of the cavities. We'll set up the display so that only the layer containing our cap surface data is displayed. The cap surfaces follow the top surface of the part. And now we will add the remaining boundary surfaces required for the part. Let's redisplay the existing toolpath, recall it, and regenerate with a new boundary surface. We recall the toolpath process, add the layer containing the cap surfaces to the active group, and then regenerate the toolpath. And we verify it with ShowPath. Our toolpath now smoothly follows the surfaces. One more example using the new boundary surface function, this time for a prismatic production type component. We have already generated SmartCAM solid planar roughing toolpath for this area, including the open regions. But we may have preferred to machine this open area using a later, separate process. Let's temporarily hide the previously created toolpath. We've used SmartCAM's modeling tools, including boundary surface, to add capping surfaces to the CAD model. Redisplay our toolpath, and we can now easily regenerate the toolpath so that it considers our cap surfaces. Recall the existing toolpath process, select the new set of surfaces to be machined, and regenerate new toolpath. We have shown how SmartCAM version 19's new boundary surface helps you to generate even better quality toolpaths than ever before. For more information on SmartCAM version 19, please check the SmartCAM CNC website at smartcamcnc.com or call us at 541-344-4563.